Welcome back, friends, to Aviva's Wonder Workshop, where we learn and explore. I'm Aviva, and today we're off to an incredible place. Let's go! Can you guess where? It's known for its amazing wildlife, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant culture. That's right, it's South Africa. This country is also known for its friendliness. South Africa is located at the southern tip of Africa and has three capital cities: Pretoria, Cape Town, and Bloemfontein. It's like having 3 times the fun. Let's start with nature. South Africa is home to some of the most amazing wildlife on the planet. You can see the Big Five when you visit this country, including elephants, buffalo, leopards, rhinos, and lions like we see here. Wow! The landscapes are just as stunning and great to walk puppies. My dog Champ loves the beautiful beaches of Durban to the majestic Table Mountain in Cape Town. Look at all these incredible animals. Going on a safari in South Africa is like stepping into a real-life adventure movie. Who knew that giraffes can run so fast? I see a meerkat with her baby in Kruger National Park. This is one of the largest game reserves in the world and a great place to see animals in their natural habitat. Let's talk about some delicious South African food. One popular dish is bobo thai, a tasty baked dish made with minced meat and topped with an egg-based topping. And don't forget about biltong, which is a type of dried, cured meat similar to beef jerky. I'm sorry, little beefy, you're just too yummy not to eat. Delicious. South Africa has a rich history and is known for its struggle for freedom and equality. One of the most famous figures in this history is Nelson Mandela, who fought against apartheid and was the country's first black president. And the country is full of vibrant music and dance. Have you ever heard of gumboot dancing? Namariel, Lambangriotic, and Adumu are traditional dances and show the beauty of South Africa. South Africa is also called the Rainbow Nation because of its diverse cultures and languages. There are 11 official languages. South Africa has some incredible landmarks. Here's Table Mountain in Cape Town, and it's called that because it's flat like a table. You can climb Table Mountain or take a cable car to the top for a breathtaking view. Hopefully, you're not afraid of heights like me. So, there you have it, a quick tour of the amazing country of South Africa. From its stunning wildlife and rich history to its vibrant culture and delicious food, South Africa is a place full of wonder. I hope you had a great time exploring with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure with Aviva's Wonder Workshop. Bye!